Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the French graffiti effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. It's going to look like this. And then we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, Retro, and then locate the French graffiti effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline. We're going to play around with it a little bit by locating the moment my sister misses the catch and bring this effect to that point. And now we're going to elongate it to fit the entirety of the clip. Now with the effect being selected, we're going to go up to the special effects tab and mess with the color, filter, amount, range, size, speed, and texture. Do we have more? Nope. And we can also add keyframes. We have a video on that as well. So let's take a look at this effect. Damn! That's a crazy effect. Well, guys, thank you for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.